Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Confirm your device Android version, for example Android 11 or newer, before you begin. Check the Gmail app version in the Play Store and update it if needed. Backup Gmail data using Settings, Accounts, or Google Takeout before changes to prevent data loss. Ensure you know the Gmail password and have two-step verification ready to re-authenticate if required. Charge your phone above 50% to avoid interruptions during account changes. Open Settings, go to Accounts, then select Google and the account to hide from the device. Turn off Gmail Sync, Contact Sync, and Calendar Sync individually to stop data syncing without removing the account. Next, open the Gmail app, tap the profile icon, and toggle account visibility off if available in your version. Use Remove Account only if you want the account fully gone from device and you have a backup. Reboot the phone to apply sync changes cleanly. Create a guest user or secondary profile to isolate Gmail from your main profile if you want separation. Use app-specific settings. Sign out inside Gmail or clear Gmail app data to hide account details from the app interface. You can also disable account notifications in Settings to prevent visibility on the lock screen. To restore, add the Google account again under Settings Accounts and re-enable sync for Mail, Contacts, and Calendar. Keep your password and two-step verification ready for quick re-authentication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.